I'm proud to work at Vestas because of the renewable energy source that Vestas provides. We power schools, libraries, businesses. Hi, my name is Miguel Banuelos. I work at Vestas here in Windsor, Colorado. Vestas is a wind energy company, and I work at a factory that makes blades for wind turbines. I'm a heavy equipment operator, and I load blades on trucks and trains. In my department, in the shipping department, we are the last to see the blades, but we make internal blade movements to and from departments. We get the blades fully ready for loading before they go out to the customer. The most rewarding part of working at Vestas is knowing that I help power my own community as well as our volunteering efforts. We'll do a candy drive. We will gather a bunch of candy, package it for kids. We also gather gifts for Christmas. We go to our local food banks and we package food for seniors. I've been here 12 years along with other colleagues that have been here 12 plus years, and I just enjoy coming to work. At Vestas, we embrace one goal, one team, one culture, one community, one blade at a time.